I was terrified to plan my first big trip. And I mean honestly terrified. The whole idea of being alone in a foreign country where I didn't speak the language was so stressful I almost didn't go. It all felt way too big and complicated. But what if I told you there's a country that feels like it was designed as a real-life video game tutorial for travelers? A place where you can learn the ropes, build your confidence, and feel like a seasoned explorer, without the meltdowns. For me, that place was the Czech Republic. I was drowning in travel blogs when a friend mentioned it was beautiful, packed with history, and, most importantly, cheap. Affordable lowered the stakes. If I messed up, at least it wouldn't be a financial disaster. That changed everything. The risk felt manageable. So, I did it. I booked a one-way ticket to Prague. My mission: find out if this country could really be the perfect training ground for a newbie adventurer. My tutorial was about to begin. Every great video game starts in a safe zone where you can learn the controls. For me, that was Prague. From the moment I arrived, the city just felt manageable. It has one of the best public transport systems in Europe. The metro and trams are easy to figure out. I remember standing in front of a ticket machine, bracing for a puzzle, only to find a button for English instructions. A huge wave of relief. First mini-quest, complete. Prague is so walkable, especially the historic center. The old town, the new town, and the iconic Charles Bridge are all connected by charming cobblestone streets. You can wander for an entire day, letting the city reveal itself to you, almost like unlocking new parts of a map. I'd walk across the Charles Bridge at sunrise, feeling like I'd stepped into a fantasy novel. The city's history is everywhere. And the best part? The most breathtaking views are free. Just walking around is the main event. Prague taught me core travel mechanics, how to navigate, observe, and find joy in discovery. Those early mornings and quiet streets showed me how to slow down and really see a place. After a few days, I could feel my confidence growing. Time for a bigger challenge, a boss-level day trip. I picked Kutná Hora, a UNESCO site about an hour away by train. This was the real test. Figure out the main station and buy the right ticket. And the reward? The Sedlec Ossuary, macabre and fascinating, and the magnificent St. Barbara's Cathedral. Standing there, I had a moment of clarity. I did it. I planned a trip, navigated a new transport system, and discovered incredible history, all by myself. Huge level up. That success proved the world outside my tutorial zone wasn't so scary after all. One of the best things about the Czech Republic is a built-in cheat code: affordability. It removes a massive layer of stress and changes how you travel. When a hearty goulash costs around $7 and dorm beds in central hostels are about $15, you stop agonizing over every purchase. That financial freedom meant I could say yes to more. And that yes often led me to the country's incredible beer, Pilsner perfection. Ordering a world-class pint for less than a coffee back home is a simple, profound joy. The combo of delicious food and cheap, phenomenal beer became power-ups, refueling my morale. With confidence soaring, it was time to explore the open world beyond Prague. I headed to Bohemian paradise, Český, a hiker's dream. What I found was a fairy tale landscape. Giant sandstone rock formations, rock cities, shoot up from deep green forests. Every viewpoint felt like a new chapter unlocked. The trails are some of the best marked anywhere. Bright stripes on trees make getting lost hard, perfect for beginners. There are easy loops in the Prachov rocks, and longer walks between castles like Hrubá Skala and Waldstein. Out there, surrounded by raw, accessible nature, I realized travel isn't just about cities, it's also about landscapes, fresh air, and that sense of accomplishment when you reach a summit. Looking back at who I was before, crippled by indecision and fear, I barely recognize him. The Czech Republic didn't just give me a vacation, it gave me an education. It was the perfect difficulty, rewarding, never so hard I wanted to quit. It's a safe country. People in tourist areas are friendly, and many speak English. Every small success, from ordering coffee to finding a hiking trail, built my confidence brick by brick. I went looking for a simple trip, and left with a key that unlocked the rest of the world. Epic castles, fairy tale towns, stunning nature, and world-class beer without emptying your wallet. It really is a real-life travel tutorial. Learn the mechanics, beat the first boss, and start a bigger adventure. If you're scared to take that first step, I can't recommend the Czech Republic enough. What's your biggest fear? Share it in the comments.